Speed is a two-player card game. There is 2 cards face down next to each other, 2 5-card stacks next to that. Then you have a hand of 5 and another face down deck of 15 next to that. When you are ready to start, flip one of the middle cards over and start playing. You must place a card that is higher or lower of the card flipped over. For example, if it is a 7, you could place a 6 or an 8. Or if it's a king, you can place an ace or a queen. If you and your opponent cannot place anything, flip a card from the 5-hand deck over onto where the 1-hand deck used to be, and continue playing. Every time you place a card, you must get another one from the 15-card stack. You must have 5 cards in your hand at all times. Once you run out and call speed, you've won. Have fun.